how to auto trace an image in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this image of a cup here, and as you can see, it's a little more intricate than the previous ones I've showed you because it has more details and more colors and blending modes like this. But this is still an image, so we want to turn it into a vector image. So the way we do this is we just go to our image trace here, and I'm just going to explain these most to you a little bit more in depth than in the previous videos. If you choose default, it will just choose one of these for you. So let's just move on to the next one. High fidelity photo and low fidelity photo, I think these are pretty self-explanatory. If you choose high fidelity photo, it will do its best to recreate this image as close to the original as possible. It may take a lot of different fills and colors to do that. If you choose low fidelity photo, it will basically do the same, but with a little less detailed in the other mode, which is understandable, but it will be a lot faster than high fidelity photo. Moving on to the next ones, we have 3 colors, 6 colors, or 16 colors. These just limit the amount of colors it can use to recreate the image. If I choose 6 colors, for example, you will see in a bit when it's done with the processing, it will limit itself to only using 6 colors to reproduce this image. And it may look very stylized at the end. It will not look very realistic to this. That might take a little bit. Yeah, there it is. As you can see, it melted some of the detail into the background, and it can work if you want to stylize this image and use it for a logo or something, but it really depends on the case. You can also like go ahead and change some details. You can also use more colors than 16 for that. You just go here into this image trace panel, and you can choose a lot more colors. You just slide this. You can go all the way to 30 as it says here, and you have also different options for all the other modes. If we just go back on this, we also have shades of gray. This will basically do the same, but it will only limit itself to black and white and all the shades in between of it to recreate this image. Black and white logo uses only black and white without all the other shades of gray in between. This is great for if you want to recreate a logo without having to trace it by hand. I recommend this for in this case. For the sketch art is very similar to line art and technical drawing. It's just a different type of like this will turn it into like a pencil sketch or something. You can also choose if it's keeps some of the color or not. If I go back here, line art will just turn it into, yeah, sometimes it doesn't work as well. We have to play around with the threshold a little bit to get something more out of it. As you can see, the more you increase it, the more lines will start appearing. Well, this works for certain images, and this one isn't one of them. If I just go back here, same goes for technical drawing. It's just different types of that same style, and if you choose silhouettes, it will just turn it into a black it will just turn it into a black silhouette of this coffee cup. And these are all the different modes. You can use them for they work better for some images than others, but overall they're very useful in a lot of different ways. So if you don't want to trace it by hand, that's a very easy way to do it. And that's how you auto trace in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.